In this video, we're going to test out the Blu-ray rip drive of the Revolution NAS. And I've got myself 4 discs. I've got a DVD, a Blu-ray disc, a 4K Ultra HD disc, and a CD disc. And we're going to rip all of them, see if it's working, how long it takes, and eventually test them out on the Player Mini. So let's get started with the biggest file. That's going to be the 4K Ultra HD, the Batman, and it's still in the shrink wrap. So let's open it up and put it in the drive. And the whole process of the Revolution NAS makes it very easy, because all you have to do is open the Blu-ray rip drive and place the disc in. So we've got 2 discs right here, and this is disc number 1. We've got even 3 discs right in here. So that's pretty exciting to me. I don't know which one we need to put in first. I'm gonna go with the top one. Let's put it in and see what happens. And there you go. And if I'm correct, it's gonna start up the ripping process immediately. So for anyone interested in the Revolution NAS, if you haven't seen my review video yet, I will leave the link in the description. And also we have a coupon code for €200 discount on the Revolution NAS. And if you live in the States, you can only buy the Revolution NAS without the Blu-ray rip drive. But you have the option to buy the drive separately, a USB drive, and you can still connect to it and make use of the Blu-ray rip drive. So now all we have to do is wait and see. Okay, finally, the first disc is done. We're gonna put it back in the cover and go for disc number 2. Again, this case has 3 discs, which of one is a bonus. So let's rip all 3. And there we go. That's how easy it is. Let's continue. Yes, this one's also finished, and now we've got the bonus disc left, and then this movie is fully ripped. Let's go. All right, the bonus disc is also done. This one was pretty quick, by the way. Now, let's close this up, put it back in the cover. And let's go for the next one. That's going to be the Blu-ray disc. That's going to be Creed 3. I don't have this one yet, so pretty curious also, because I'm excited to watch it later on. Let's put it in and see how long this will take. Okay, and Creed 3 is also finally finished. Let's put it back in the cover, and we're almost done, by the way. We've got left the channel and Dr. Dre. So let's do the channel. It's gonna be a DVD. I assume this one's gonna be pretty fast. Let's find out. There you go, bada bing, bada boom. And there we go. The channel is also done. So we've got a 4K Ultra HD done, Creed 3 done, and channel done. We've got one left, and that's gonna be the CD of Dr. Dre. And honestly, I don't even know, can it rip CDs? How do I play them? Let's find out. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That was maybe less than 10 minutes, 12 minutes. So that was really fast. So we got them all ripped, and now we need to find out, are they working? Where can we play them? And how's the quality? So let's find out. All right, everything is ripped. Now it's time to find out if it's actually on the Revolution NAS and if we can play it directly from the Player Mini. So we started up our video, and what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go to filters, and there's a filter called recent. I believe that's recently added. And there you have it. It is the channel DVD. We've got Creed and we've got the Batman. So let's start with the DVD. Let's click on it. Unfortunately, you can't hear the sound. Here you can see it's SD SDR. Let's hit play and see what happens. So this is also a DVD video image. So yeah, let's just try play menu. See what happens. We've got the full menu. Let's do on, and you can play movie. That's about it, I guess. I gotta blur these parts out, unfortunately, but everything's working perfectly fine and loading up quickly. Let's scroll a bit. Yeah, that's like instantly, no buffering, all good, all good. That's the DVD one. Let's hit return. Now let's go to Creed 3, and that one was a Blu-ray disc. So let's see what it all has. Dolby True HD, Dolby Digital, Dolby Atmos, and it's HD SDR. Let me just grab the Blu-ray cover itself, and on the back it says audio Dolby Atmos, True HD, Dolby Digital, and the video quality 1080p. So that's all correct. I would have expected this was also 4K, but it wasn't. It's not. That's totally fine. Let's test it out, see if it's working. Again, we have the option to launch the menu. Let's just launch it, see if everything's working fine. And there you go. We've got the full menu right here. We can change audio in this case, Dolby Atmos. We can go to special features. And here you have some different content. I'm actually curious if it's also ripped all that. Let's try that. Here, behind the camera. And as you can see, it's working. There you go. So that's fine. Not gonna continue here. Let's press exit. So that's all working. Let's play the movie. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. It's working perfectly fine. All right, all good. Now let's go to the Batman. And after Batman, the only thing we have left is the Dr. Dre disc. And here we can see the Batman. That's the movie itself, the 4K Ultra HD. Here we have the bonus disc. Let's hit play, see if it's working. And there you go, special features. Let's just play one, let's see what happens. So that's working, behind the scenes, all good. Let's continue to the next one. Let's continue to the main movie. And that's this one right here. And it's Ultra HD Dolby Vision HDR10, just like it says on the back of the disc. All good, that's also working just fine. So I guess everything is working. And the last thing we have left is the disc itself, the Dr. Dre disc. Let's see if that's also playable. Let's go to the home screen and let's go to Explorer. In here, we're gonna go to the Revolution NAS music folder. If I'm correct, it should rip it automatically there. In here, we have a folder called Auto Rip, which we didn't have before. And let's play it. And there you go, it's all working perfectly fine. Let me just try a few tracks. Yes, this is all good. Sound quality is perfect, just like what you expect from a $3,000 NAS. So what you want to do now is actually add these folders to your favorites. So let's see. I just want to add, I don't know, let's just do Auto Rip, and then you have the blue button on the remote control for favorites. Add it to favorites, but we can also just do this folder. Bam, add it. I guess it's also in MP3. Yes, so it's in all the formats, as you can see. Let's go to our favorites folder on the home screen, and that should be this right here. And there you go. So here's where you can play it from. That's pretty straightforward. And so that being said, I guess everything is working as it should. The Blu-ray rip drive of the Revolution NAS is doing its job. You can rip Blu-ray discs, DVDs, CDs, 4K Ultra HDs, and if the Revolution NAS intrigues you, check out the links of the store in the description. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.